Okay, welcome back. This is the revolve command. Actually, it's not revolve, it's scale. Um, but let's go ahead and take a look. Now, I made this is how big we want our vases to be, right? 25 millimeters, and you can see these guys are a little short, and these guys here are a little tall. Okay, so let me go ahead and just hide. I'll just move these things out of the way. All right. So if you want to try and get these things scaled correctly, you can go ahead and take a point and you can just type in 0 and hit enter. Make sure that that point is at the origin. If you click that point and you have your gumball on, just like that, and you're in millimeters, you can actually click this little blue dot here. And if you type in 25, whoop, you'll get a line that's 25 millimeters long. Now I can take both of these guys and I can move them. So I could type in move, and I can just grab them from right there, and I can type in the number 0 to move them to the origin. Okay, and now with these guys on the origin, I can actually just kind of hold down shift, click this guy, and start to shrink them down till they look just about right. I can select them again. I can type in move, click on that origin, and that's pretty good. They're pretty close. They're close enough. I can hold that down again. Whoop. And there we go. We've got two objects that are just about, if I type in move one more time, and I grab that end right there, they're pretty close. They're close enough. I'm going to take both of those and I'll delete them. Okay. Now I'll take these two little guys over here and I'll move them over. And I'll do the same thing. I'll type in move, and I'll grab this guy and I'll snap it down there. And now the scale has to go up. Okay. Here's another way you could do it, is if you have this guy sitting on the origin and you type in scale and you have your near snap on and your end point on. So let me turn my near on. If I click here after I've typed in scale, it'll say base point. Let me actually back up again. Let me select both of these guys. Type in scale and it'll say your base point. I want my base point to be there at 0. And it'll say first reference point. So I can just kind of go right up there above it on that line that I know is 25 millimeters long. Click once, zoom out, and then I can just drag up till my mouse snaps to that endpoint. And then we got things that are pretty darn close to 25 millimeters. Okay, so I'll take both of those guys and I'll delete them, and I'll type in show. And here's my original guys right over here. Okay, so all we did there is we made sure that these things were the right scale. Okay, you can always run the distance command too. So if you type in dist, snap once there, snap once there, it'll tell you up here in the command line that it's 25 millimeters. So that's awesome. Okay, so in the next lesson, I'm going to teach you how to take this half vase and this full vase and export them as an STL so that they're ready for 3D printing. Okay, so in the next lesson, we're going to learn how to export these things. Thanks. I'll see you soon. Bye.